Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to market your Shopify store on Instagram. So to market your Shopify store on Instagram, start by switching to Instagram business account and link it to your Facebook business manager. Then from there, go to your Shopify admin, click on settings. From there, click on apps and sales channel. From there, Facebook and Instagram, and connect your store. This will allow you to sync your product catalog with Instagram shopping, so you can tag product in posts, reels, and stories. So once your store is connected, create an engaging visual content with showcase your product in real life settings or a user generated content from customers. Use a relevant hashtag, post consistently, and leverage Instagram stories and reels for more reach. You can even run paid Instagram ads directly from Shopify marketing section or through Facebook Ads Manager. Tag your product in your post so let followers shop directly, and use Instagram Insights to track performance and refine your strategy. And that's it.